I got him right here for you. Where's he at? Where's he at?
Gonna take you down by the river, smell the gunpowder, hear the ghost sing. Kids in the shadows drinking by the water, smoking and blowing them smoke rings. Gonna take you down to the river, you're gonna learn about the times, man. Bloodstains will make you shiver, you're gonna feel it in your spine, man.
The Ike's face.
There it is. What's that? What does that mean right there? What's up? You know where I'm at? I bet you could guess. Take a little look around. Baby Marlene's Who Cares Bed and Breakfast. If you're going to the devil, you got to come here. Get the whole experience. It starts right here in this lot. So anyways, guys, got a group of 5. A lot of guys from Shannon Hospital I'm taking down here. They're from San Angelo, and 2 of them have been with me before, Terrell and Furman. Y'all have seen them before. So anyways, it's gonna be a good trip. Y'all get ready. Oh man, what y'all know about that? Hey, I probably said it once or twice already, but this is the beginning. Y'all stay tuned. We're gonna catch some big ones. Like I said, we got a group of 5, all out of Angelo, and the river is freaking crazy right now. It's running great. Usually we have to portage all this stuff, but God's blessed this country with some rain, or this part of country with some rain, and we're gonna take full advantage. So.
Got it! In the back door!
Donkey Kong! Woo! Come on, baby. Woo! Now, settle down now, Biggin. Settle down. Come on now. Good gracious. Great balls of fire. Woo! Here you go. There's a long, skinny one. Pretty good little chunkier. We'll send that sucker back. Man, what's going on back here? Anyways, here we go, folks. While we come down here to get a little bit of that action. Just let him go. See that? Whoa now. Down, Lucille. Goodness gracious. Looks like that turned ran into a wall. You see that? Look at that. Oh, crooked forehead, all that good stuff. But anyways, there you go. Little smaller for you. Let's go find this big papa. That's a healthy one though, ain't it? Man, look at that fat. We'll let her go. Baby, got us another dankster. Woo! Man. So that sucker, I can see his bed over there, and just sight casting. I saw his bed over there, chunked it right in there. He chowed it down. Little doggy. Anyways, there's another one. He's a fighter. He's a fighter. Man. That's the first fish I've caught on a spinner in forever. I don't ever fish these things. I'm taking it back to the old school. Cause I'm an old fool who tries to be so cool. Man. That sucker fought. Something about these smallies. Man, they fight. You never caught any? Oh, Lee, you're missing out. Best place to get them in the state of Texas is the Devil's River. That little thing probably fought like a 2-pound largemouth. Beautiful. Whew, he choked it down. So I'm throwing this spinner with, it's got a little trailer on it. So it's got 2 hooks. And this little sucker falls behind there, and it works. Anyways, let's get another one. Oh, battery was dead. I was too lazy to change it, and sure enough, missed the fish. But I got him right here for you. Where's he at? Where's he at? Peekaboo! There we go. Liz Oaks. Man, the best one today, for sure. Faux show. Right in those lily pads. Man. Woo! Here we go, y'all. Let's let her go. Wes's Island, right behind us. This island is where, in my last video down here, Wes caught that smallmouth, his first one. So we named it Wes's Island. There you go, old son. Hey guys. Man, we're here and it's raining. It's coming down. It's let up a little bit right now, but anyways, I wanted to talk about that hammock and that tarp. If you haven't seen my last video, go back, check it out. I'll leave a link in the description. I go into detail about how I sleep, how I hang, especially when it's raining. So if you want to learn how to stay dry in a hammock, go check it out. Anyways, I'm going to bed. Woo! What's up? Man, that was a night. It rained, thundered, lightning, a little bit of hail. It was something else. The river's up at least 5 foot. Not sure if you can tell. It might look like I'm on the old dirty Concho back home, but this is the Devil's River. Looks like chocolate milk right now. Beautiful, ain't it? I'll take it either way. I'll take it clear, I'll take it muddy. It don't matter to me, as long as I'm here. Anyways, let's try to catch some fish. Wish I'd have brought my jug lines, because them catfish are gonna be biting today. I don't know about them bass, so I'm gonna try my best. It is hailing out here. Look at that. That is hail. That's hail. Not good.